Good afternoon. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter in a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. Here we go. Yep. First thing you do is put the wipers in the up position and shut the ignition off. Now you open the hood. Try and be quiet, huh? I'm trying to make a video. Don't sneeze, don't talk. And you pull back the weather strip in here. Now you remove these push-pull pins with this special tool. Once you remove them, you throw them out because they're only single use.
Should I come out and see how the car situation is? Up down the street?
Yeah, would you please be quiet? I told you I'm trying to make a video.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm making it now. Okay, once you remove the pull pins, you remove this. Move that out of the way. Then there's a secondary cover here you remove. Move that. Now the cabin filter's right in here. Let me get a good close-up here of the cabin filter. Cabin filter's right in there. Okay, here's the old cabin filter, and it has a lot of things in between the plates. Can you see that there? See all that dirt and debris and leaves?
Some of your things
And we take out the new cabin filter. It's a Bosch HEPA filter. Match it up, make sure it's the same size. Yep, same size. Open up the package. Okay, now we gotta put the new cabin filter in. The direction of the airflow is this way. See the arrows going down? So it goes in just like this. Can you see that? Goes in. Show what these are. Okay, new cabin filter is in. New cabin filter is in. All we do is put the cover back on, the two covers and the weather stripping, and that's it. Suppose I'm going to recycle the old box, the new box. I'm going to throw the cabin filter out. So it's going to recycle the box. Yeah, I'm making a video. Would you please be quiet? Okay, now we put this cover back on here. And then we put this back on. Okay, and we use two new push pins. Here are some new push pins I bought. Take two of them out. Let's push them in the holes. There's one. And there's two. Now we just put the weather stripping back on and we're all done.
Take me down to your driveway.
Yeah, would you please be quiet? I'm trying to make a video. Okay, already you I've had to tell you a number of times to please be quiet. Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to changing the cabin filter on a 2012 Impala.
You want to sell the
That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.